प्लेयर सज्जनों, आप सभी का मैं नीलेश नाथू तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं इस MCA गहुंजे इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में। आप देख रहे हो अदानी MPL 2025। आज का ये छठा दिन, 9वीं मैच रत्नागिरी बनाम रायगढ़ रॉयल्स।
News from the centre is the Raigad Royals, led by Rishabh Rathore, have won the toss and decided to bowl first.
खेल रहे टीम्स की तरफ नजर दौड़ाते हैं रत्नागिरी जेट्स। अजीम काजी कप्तान वहां पे कॉन्फिडेंट नजर आए। 4 खेले उसमें से 3 हारे, लेकिन लुक्स लाइक अ गुड टीम। दिव्यांग हिंगनेकर इज आउट देयर विद किरण चोरमले, अभिषेक पवार, इनके ऊपर थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए। रायगढ़ रॉयल्स की बात करें, 2 खेले हैं उसमें से 1 ही हारे 1 जीते, तो 50-50 चांसेस फॉर दीज गाइस। ऋषभ राठौड़ इन प्राइम फॉर्म और कप्तान के बतौर भी अच्छी चीजें वहां पे कर रहे हैं। सिद्धेश वीर इज ड्यू, याद रखिए नाम सिद्धेश वीर। इनके बैट से रन आने ही होंगे और क्या आज का वो दिन है। दिग्विजय पाटिल इज ऑल्सो देयर, हर्ष मोगेवरा, अथर्व धर्माधिकारी, यस इट्स धीरज फटांगरे जिन्हें एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है। निखिल कदम, गेंदबाजी की शुरुआत जिम्मा इनका है। 3, 2, 1 and let's play। That's बढ़िया गेंद, लेकिन खाता खुल जाए क्या पे पहली गेंद पर। बाउंस अच्छा है सलील, बढ़िया बाउंस।
All this one.
Yeah, and no one is better than सलील। और ये इसी बीच ये गेंद जाती हुई सीमा रेखा पार, फिर से एक बार के ऊपर। They definitely have that upper hand। ये हवाई फायर गेंद सीधी आ गई हमारे तरफ 6 रनों के लिए, बढ़िया।
This is what is going to happen. Now this is a cross seam delivery which had no movement, was pitched up in the slot, and then the batter connects it very well. He was waiting for
ये कुछ अलग करने की कोशिश, ये भी जाएगी हवाई फायर और 6 जोड़ लीजिएगा शीशा। जी बिल्कुल, IIT toppers also will struggle to understand DLS, but look at this shot। ये गेंद भी बढ़िया थी, लेकिन शॉट उससे बढ़िया अथर्व का अच्छा।
Oh, edge. Thick outside edge. Terrific turn on display, but doesn't matter. That's going to scoot over to the boundary. Dheeraj adds 100 is in India. Use of the feet from Atharva. And taken. Gobbled up by the fielder.
hold up to the long off. Siddesh Veer, I must remind you and tell you that when I was a selector of the Indian cricket team, he was one of the upcoming talented. We had chosen in the top 20 in India. He featured in that. And Atharva Dharmadhikari goes for 23. Ratnagiri Jets 60 for 1.
After the power play, and a crucial man now comes out to the middle. Azim Kazi, captain par excellence. Use of the feet, prodigious turn once again. Thick edge flies of the bat of Dheeraj Fatangare right after he was.
ये सिंपल डिविएशन था और बॉल टर्न हो रहा है। ये बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट, लेकिन देखिए अभी अगर आप छोड़ेंगे तो
other northern state of India, that is Rajasthan. Innovative stroke making from Azim Kazi, and he brings out the river.
बढ़िया शॉट है, लेकिन फील्डर पीछे मौजूद है, रोक नहीं पाएगा। यह हवाई सफर पूरा करेगी गेंद 4 रनों के लिए धीरज के।
Hitesh wants to continue, and that's a catch, a scintillating, a breathtaking.
Hitesh Walunj, धीरज फटांगरे को, and have a look at this outstanding catch। एक हाथ से गेंद लपक ली थी और ये वही कहना चाहते हैं गेंदबाज, मैं देखना नहीं चाहता, मैं 3 बार वापस भेजा है। 57 करके बाहर, it's on a 6 for 2।
In at number 4 for Ratnagiri Jets, the star batter from the previous match, Divyang Hingnekar. Watch this man closely. Azim Kazi will continue with his fluent touch and collect yet another boundary. Simple stroke from Kazi, 14 done, 1-1-1 for 2 Jets.
ये कुछ अलग डालेगा।
फुल टॉस गेंद सीधी जाएगी, नहीं, यहाँ पे मिस फील्ड। एक चांस क्या है, कैच हो सकता था।
His runs on board. 5 overs to go. What will happen? Picks that one. Not too short, but picks it really.
And a mother to look after. Full toss, Hoyt. The catch is nowhere close to that fielder. Make that 2 boundaries. Qazi goes big into the leg side once again. Look at the muscle and the menace in that 6. Full toss, dispatched with disdain. Evades the fielder, maximum once again.
And that's rightly picked up as a no ball. Very good review taken by Azim Qazi there. That was waist above and it's not allowed.
Qazi's lofted this and he'll clear the infield. And it scoots away to the boundary of the free hit. A 6 of the full toss and not complaining. Qazi making merry once again. Excellent looking stroke along the carpet this time. Squeezed away immaculately by Divyang. Divyang muscles this. Fielder takes it easily in the end against the run of play. Danai gets the breakthrough.
As he wanted to in the end. Ball pitched right up. Way outside the off stump. Could not have connected that one properly. And that was holed up to the long off. Divyang Hinganekar goes back for 11. Jets 167 for 3.
Qazi tries sending this into the orbit. Copes a blow into the body now. The second big one he's coped onto his person. Remember, he already had coped one. Substantial enough for him to retire himself out. He cannot motor on, he thinks. Gets an applause from the dugout and from the Jets owners. Making the finals. Last ball. Gets an inside edge. Does Kiran. They're pushing for the second run. And taken. Ratnagiri Jets led by a superlative 70+ knock from their captain Azim Qazi. Finish with.
The Raigad Royals have never surpassed 170.
Look at that batting card. So much promise turned in.
For the Raigad Royals is 188 from 20 overs and they have never surpassed above 170.
है और ये इम्पैक्ट सबका यहाँ पे इशारा होता हुआ देख यस ऋग्वेद मोरे.
Siddesh Veer, not the kind of start he would expect in Adani MPL 3.
दिव्यांग हिंगनेकर 5 मैचेस 4 विकेटें इनके नाम पर भी है.
Game of cricket are the on-field umpires. Ball 1, we are all set, and Divyang Hinganekar starts off right on the money. Off strike, Rugved More will take strike, and he's gone.
Look at this delivery, no room given whatsoever, and the impact player hitting it straight into the throat of the slip fielder. Rugved More departing for 3.
ये बढ़िया फील्ड प्लेसमेंट. ये छोटी थी, ये पटकी थी और ये बाहर जाएगी, जमीन से लग के जाएगी.
Introduced for a left-handed batter, and now a left-hander introduced, and Siddesh Veer gets the height, gets the distance, and the first 6 for Raigad Royals comes off the bat of Siddesh Veer. What happens? Final ball of 5th. Up in the air, Digvijay Patil opens his arms and gets the first 4. Boundary to finish off the 5th.
Coming to Pradeep Dade, this is a very good delivery. Just fishing outside the off stump, and this is the wicket. They needed that too of Siddesh Veer, and takes the wicket of Siddesh Veer. Goes back on 18.
Played upishly into the lap of the fielder. Easy catch.
And this is what you need. Runs on the board. Tried to get that one, but couldn't manage it to keep it down. Good bowling by Kiran Chormale. Patil goes on 7, and Royals are 31 for 3.
It's looking precarious for Rishabh Rathor's side. Rishabh swats this with disdain, finds the boundary in the fine leg region. Early intent shown by the captain of the Raigar Royals.
Welcome runs there on board. This is one. This is again the previous wicket also went the same way. This one also, Rishabh Rathod tries to steer one. Umpire has given it out, but then the captain has asked for a review.
Yeah, I can see, freeze it here. I can see the clear spike when the ball is next to the bat. Back to on-field umpire Abhijit.
In utter disarray as Rishabh Rathod, the skipper, departs for 5. Royals 37 for 4 in the 7th. Harsh sends this aerial. Wicket-keeper Pawar chasing it. 3 fielders converging. What a catch! That's an absolute specky from the wicket-keeper.
The bowler, Prathamesh, bowls a short one, goes for the hook, gets a top edge. That's a long one, goes high up and almost near the fight by the keeper. Harsh Bogavira departs for 2. Royals 37. A specialized person to do that job, and what a catch this would have been. Very good delivery.
79-run mark. Big swing into the leg side, sends this into the stratosphere and it lands into the stands. What a statement of intent that is from Reeranj against
मिडिल ऑर्डर पे भी वो प्रेशर आ गया और एक्सीलेंट डिलीवरी एक्सीलेंट डिलीवरी फॉर द लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर bold, had no clue. The batsman, superb, great news for the Jets. Really driving.
Ravindra Jadhav goes out for 12, Raigar Royals 64 for 6.
साव्या गजराज आज इन्हें मौका मिला है गेंदबाजी इन जस्ट 48 बॉल से गेंद ऊपर चढ़ी है सीधी देखते पवार क्या करते और उनके लिए आसान कैच कंपेयर्ड टू द फर्स्ट वन व्हिच ही टुक आउटस्टैंडिंग डिलीवरी
आसान कैच नहीं है बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है लुक एट दैट वो पीछे भाग रहे हैं विकेट कीपर और वो हेलमेट जो है ना हेलमेट पहन के भागना थोड़ा दिक्कत वाला है सुपर नीरज जोशी 19 in 16 balls 70 for
विकी ओस्तवाल मैदान में हाजिर में आप कौन सा शॉट खेलेंगे और शॉट सिलेक्शन जरूरी ये शॉट सिलेक्शन बढ़िया है उन्हें पता है पीछे कोई नहीं है एंड दिस इज गुड ये मीडियम पेस था सीम पे पकड़ के डालने की कोशिश की थी और देख लिया था शायद साव्या गजरा
Have the Ratnagiri Jets won against the Royals. Goes for the big stroke. Fielder coming underneath it and a comfortable catch.
look at this delivery wonderful he connected it but couldn't get the elevation and fielder making no mistake at deep mid wicket.
It's 87 for 8 after 14.5.
New man in, Tanay Sangvi at number 10 for the Royals.
Is 94 of 19. Oh, tantalizingly close once again. The wicket keeper is interested. He's asked questions.
Yeah, thank you. Foot is grounded when the bells were dislodged. I'm ready with my decision for the big screen.
Lofted. Prathamesh should have his second wicket. He does. Tanay has to depart for just 5 runs to his name.
Confidence to Prathamesh Gowdy getting this wicket. Pitching right up there. Tanay miscuing that one, then hit it quite well. And of course, a good catch, easy catch, that a dolly catch at mid-off. Tanay Sangvi goes for 5.
And defend our crown. Hoiked into the leg side. There is a fielder stationed there. But no, it goes all the way for a Prathamesh with the ball in hand. Lofted. Glorious looking stroke against the run of play in the 20th over. Deep third. Out comes the innovative stroke. A nice cute lap. And that would be back-to-back 4s of the bat of Kadam.
Regarding that, he wants to get over with the proceedings. In fact, it was a good delivery. Tried to get one Yorker going for him there, but the batter had already moved outside the off-stump and used the pace of the ball, glided to...
Prathamesh charges in. And there it is. Defending champions Ratnagiri Jets charge to victory and do so with aplomb.
And of course, that very good innings of 72 by the captain Azim Kazi, who looks so happy there. Good win.
It's on the day. None at all from the Raigar Royals. None that even got into the 20s for that matter. A fine performance also with the ball came from the Jets unit, led by none other than Satyajit Bachao, ever so immaculate, ever so precise, and ever on the money.